Hi guys, today we'll be looking at CoinEx. CoinEx is known as the most underrated crypto exchange with powerful features you didn't know about. I'll tell you the features. If you're actually looking for a fast, secure, and a reliable beginners-friendly crypto exchange, CoinEx might just be the hidden gems you have been looking for. Today, let me dive into the powerful features and also capabilities that make CoinEx stand out in 2025 and also ahead of the year, and why more traders are switching to it every day. Okay, CoinEx is built with speed. Its machines engage in processing over 10,000 transactions per second, meaning your trades are executed instantly without lag, even during market volatility. This coin market cap of CoinEx, the CoinEx has some strong features that you have been finding in most of those decentralized exchanges, but theirs is very friendly and also reliable and very fast as well. It is perfect for actually spot trading. Okay, it is perfect for spot trading and also feature trading, quick scalping as well, and also high frequencies move. Okay, and 100% your fund stays secured. CoinEx is one of the new features. It's one of the new exchange that maintain a 100% reserve ratio. This means they never touch customers' fund, no lending, and also no hidden risk. I will tell you about the security features. Multi-signature wallet system, code storage protections, and also automated risk alerts. This is to tell you that this is one of the best exchange and most reliable exchange you can use 2025 and ahead of it. Your money stays fully backed and also withdrawable anytime. Okay, it has also an extreme low fee. It's one of the features I want you to look at today. It has an extreme low fee. CoinEx is famous for having some of the lowest trading fee in the industry. It has the lowest trading fee in the industry. With set CoinEx tokens, your trading fee reduces even further. This makes CoinEx perfect for days trading, feature trading, and high volume traders. Beginners who also want to save money, CoinEx is the best place for you to be. It is a truly global platform. It's one thing you must look at. It is a truly global platform. CoinEx supports over 15 languages and also over 400 countries. A smooth mobile app with a clean interface. You can take a look at yourself. No matter where you are, CoinEx is designed to work for everyone. It is designed to work for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Download this particular exchange quickly and see what you can gain for yourself. Okay, a CoinEx also has an academy where you can learn. Okay, where you can learn and also earn from your learning. CoinEx provides free lessons for trading basics, technical analysis, crypto fundamentals, and also blockchain educations. This makes CoinEx great for beginners who wants to trade or who wants to grow. CoinEx offers simple but powerful features tools, up to 100% leverages, easy long or short features, beginner-friendly interface, advanced chatting tools. Unlike many other exchanges, CoinEx feature UI is clean and also not confusing. CoinEx does not bombard you with ads. pop-up or distractions. The platform is designed to be minimal, fast, and easy to navigate. Okay, it has a dedicated customer support. It's one thing you must look at. Okay, that's a dedicated customer support. Contacting here is very easy, and you find all your problems solved between a blink of an eye. You get answers, not automated messages. Okay, so permit me to conclude this class by telling you CoinEx is built for simplicity, speed, and also security. If you want a reliable crypto exchange, affordable fees, fast trading,